In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a document read-only in Google Docs. So the first thing that we'll be doing is open up a document that we want to share. Now, once you've opened up a document, all you need to do to make that document read only is go over to the top right here on the share button. So if you click on share, it will open up a option where you can choose people with access and the general access. So you can choose anyone with link or restricted. So if it is restricted, only the people with access can open with the link. So when you choose anyone with the link, you will edit it right here on the viewer. Click on the viewer and make sure that it is set to viewer, not commenter and not editor, so that all they can do is just read the document. So once you've done that, just click on done and copy the link and share it to anyone you want. And that's about it. That's how to make a document read only in Google Docs. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.